Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your PC must have an RTX GPU and the latest Nvidia driver. Open GeForce Experience, sign in, and let it update drivers automatically. Once done, enable experimental features and DLSS toggles in the app so the game can detect them. Make sure Marvel Rivals is installed via its launcher and that you've closed the game before proceeding. This first step wires the system-level support needed for DLSS to appear inside the game options. Once the prerequisites are set, open Marvel Rivals and navigate to Settings, then Video and Advanced. You're looking for the Nvidia DLSS option. Toggle it on. If DLSS doesn't appear, restart both the game and GeForce Experience and check driver status again. Choose a DLSS mode, quality for visuals, balanced for mixed needs, or performance for maximum FPS, and optionally lower render resolutions slightly to amplify gains. These choices dictate how the neural upscaling trades GPU cost for image clarity. Finally, apply your settings and test in a match or replay to judge visual fidelity versus frame rate. Use the Nvidia overlay to confirm DLSS is active and observe render resolution and FPS numbers. If images look soft, switch from performance to balanced or quality. If stuttering persists, toggle VSync and check background apps. Troubleshooting tip: if DLSS never appears, clean install the Nvidia driver via GeForce Experience, reboot, and ensure the game launcher isn't blocking overlays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.